want join this, stand up, cover. Find girls there, show me dollar. And if I get rich like Kofi Aban, no comma, full stop, no sentence, no sentence. Your eye go paying you if you no get less, if you no get less, no get less. Stay far away from me. I see it bang and me the sweetness. I did. We dey collect it and they shiver. I did. The soup on your feet, that's my super. I did. Fine girl with bombas. I did. I see it bang and me the sweetness. I did. We dey collect it and they shiver. I did. The soup on your feet, that's my super. I did. Fine girl with bombas. I did. I did. My belly, oh baby. I know fit to laugh, oh baby. I did. My belly, oh baby. I know fit to laugh, oh. Full stop, no sentence, no sentence. Your eye go paying you if you no get less, if you no get less, no get less. Stay far away from me. I see it bang and me the sweetness. I did. We dey collect it and they shiver. I did. The soup on your feet, that's my super. I did. Fine girl with bombas. I did. I see it bang and me the sweetness. I did. We dey collect it and they shiver. I did. The soup on your feet, that's my super. I did. Fine girl with bombas. I did.
Already we can see gold is flying. Sometimes when you mix the market at point like this, it is very much needed for you to know when to enter into a trade. If not, you'll be at the mercy of the market. So market is currently playing like in the bag. That all the market is playing nicely in the bounce. Where will it be? At 5 something. Yeah, you as a trader, you can take position for yourself. Okay? Market is playing nicely. So this is a great weekend, right?
Drama.
Let me look at the songs.
If you want join this, stand up, cover.
Alright. So this on Daily Candle.
Show me dollar.
This on Daily Candle. Let's say this is what happened today. And then before New York,
Full stop,
you can already see what is happening. So what do you think you guys should do as a trader? You are a trader, you want to take a trade, you come to the market, take the market around this point. Where the market is this on Daily Candle, the market has already done crazy moves. That is from the early 3,300. So roughly the market has done almost 500 moves already for today. Okay? The market has done almost 500 moves already for today. So the market has done almost 500 moves already for today. What do you think? Yeah, the structure is a bad. The market is a bad. But this is the case. It has done 500 moves for the day. Are you going to jump into the buy? That is why we are here. So watch the screen. On watch, if you have not taken any trade for today, you are actually if you're connected just for a time on the screen, share the buy. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. Okay. Our time on the screen. If these things wait for me. Yo, it's been a long time. It's been a long time. Our time on the screen. Get the light. Nobody said wait for retracement. That's a very point. Waiting for retracement. There are 2 types of retracement. You can there are 2 types of retracement. This says that since the market is already high and it has done so far, If you want to join the buy, you have to first wait for retracement. You first have to wait for retracement. And we are asking the question that in the point of waiting for the retracement, we have two types of retracement. So what is the type of retracement you are going to look at? So we're learning about retracement. We have two types of retracement. We have the corrective retracement and we have the aggressive retracement. In a market where we see market is buying strongly like this, okay? In a market where we see market is buying strongly like this, it is best advisable for us to look out for corrective retracement. You can see retracement. A retracement are in two forms. We have corrective retracement and we have aggressive retracement. The retracement you should be looking out for is a corrective retracement where market is going to play so well, then you can just continue building the market. So with this, what we are going to do is this already get another aspect. Let's go down to the 4 hour time frame and let's try and see if we can be able to get something on the 4 hour. If we are able to get something on the 4 hour, then that's powerful. We can be able to plot some level, then we can build the market. Alright, so let me put that to the chat. Oh, my network is okay.
That's my super idea. Fine, girl,
my network is okay.
I see a Benjamin, the sweetest idea.
Let me know if my network is okay.
Just look on your feet, that's my super idea. Fine, girl, we bombas idea.
Alright.
My belly, oh baby, I know fit to laugh, oh baby. My belly, oh baby,
Okay, now it is coming. Then my screen was not coming.
Full stop, no sentence, no sentence.
Why is DSY dropping like that?
If you no get less, if you no get
DSY is dropping crazy.
no get less, stay far away from me. I see the Benjamin, the sweetest idea. We the collected them, the Shiva idea. The super on your feet, that's my super idea. Fine, girl, we bombas
The
idea.
network was okay.
I
Alright.
see the Benjamin, the sweetest idea.
So this is what we have in the 4 hour candle, right? So this is what we have in 4 hour candle. So now we are going to apply the rules for us to know where to put. So on 4 hour candle, we can see that the previous highs of the market, which the market broke, if we want to look at, that is around this point, okay? That is around this point. So let me use a rectangular shape so that we can mark that point. A rectangular shape, we can mark that point where the market did that move. So that is around this point. You get it? So around this point is where we are expecting market to retrace to. That is the price of 3,310, the LD. 3,310. You could see, so 3,310, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Around that zone, we'll be able to take a very good trade. But as it stands now, we cannot take the buy at this level because it is already, this is on 4 hour, it's left with about 1 hour, 40 something minutes for this candle to end. But the market is sitting at a point of resistance. No, it's not a selling point. It's not a selling point, my brother. I have done that in the past when I started trading. It's not a selling point. Always make sure that you are following the trend, okay? Raja, always make sure that you are following the trend. Whether you are buying or you are selling, make sure that you are following the trend. Because the trend is your friend. If you follow the trend, it has a way of,
if you want to join this, stand up, cover. Find girls there.
It has a way of helping you. So we got to follow the trend.
No
have to follow the trend. So the trend is a buy. So if we are following the trend, we are looking at areas where we can be able to buy. Okay, so the trend is a buy, but you cannot buy where current market is. You cannot buy where the current market is. So since we cannot buy where the current market is, if we are expecting to buy, then we should be looking forward somewhere around this point to buy to slow down. You get it? So around it's been a long time. So we are looking for somewhere around the early 3,310, 11, around that zone. That is where we are looking at. Mind you, market can also retrace all the way to the ends of 3,300. Market can retrace to the level of 3,300. That is psychological level. But in this case, as I told you, we have two different types of retracements. So the type of retracements you are going to see as a trader is what is called influence the decision you have to make. If our tapping on the screen, our tapping on the screen, our tap on the screen is there, our tapping on the screen. So the two type of retracement is going to tell you, because understand that as traders, we don't know what the market is going to do until the market communicates what it's going to do. So by reading the move and by reading the candles, by reading the reactions, when it comes to the market environment, you be able to know what the market is doing. That is where now your speculation comes into play. So, you see, like I said, that where the current market is a selling point. He said that where the current market is a selling point. And I said, oh, it's not a selling point because market is a buy. Alright, so now let's look at it this way. Where market is resistance. If you are saying market is as a selling point, the question is going to be, what is your confluence? Okay, yes, it has gotten to a key point of resistance. But since it has gotten to that key point of resistance, what is your confluence? What is your bias? Why are you going to sell? Why are you going to sell? So now when you are able to answer that question, why you are going to sell the market, then we'll be able to look at the reason why you are going to sell at that end. Then we can do the analysis whether we can sell or not to sell. Do you get it? When you are trading, don't trade emotions, don't trade feelings. Trade the rules, trade what the market tells you. Because if you trade emotions and you trade your feelings or what you think, you'll be like, oh, I think where the market has gotten to, market is going to sell. No, don't think where market has gotten to, market is going to sell. Per the strategy you trade, whether SMC, ICT, equilibrium, per the strategy you trade, what do you need to see before you can short it? What do you need to see before you can long it? Do you get it? So if you want to short it, are you saying what you need to see before you short it? No. Do you get it? So if you are not saying that, it's not advisable for you to short. Power tab on the screen and share the live. So this is what you are to do as a trader. Where the market has gotten to, this on 4-hour candle, okay? I am a scalper. I love scalping much. So since I love scalping, this is what I'm going to do. If I am trading right now on this, or I want to take a trade right now on this, this is what I'm going to do. I will scale down. Since I am on the 4-hour time frame, I can decide to scale down from the 4-hour time frame to the lower time frame, trying to get any point of, please, any update on PI network. No, please, I don't trade PI network. I don't trade PI network. So let's look at this. Aje, your super no filters my super. Aje. Let's look at something. Let's look at something. I want us to look at what of SRP. Hold it, SRP, hold it. If you're having SRP, hold it. If you're having Dogecoin, hold it. Don't. When it comes to crypto trading require patience. Crypto trading Any trade on oil, we're going to check that. We're going to check that. Crypto trading requires a lot of patience. So if you're a crypto trader, you got to have the balls to wait. You got to have the balls to wait. If you're a crypto trader and you don't have the balls to wait, you are going to regret. You'll be like, damn, I should have allowed this market, I should have allowed this coin on. Like by now, I'm up 10,000x. So crypto trading is all about patience. Okay. All right. So I am a scalper. Watch here. I am a scalper. I know market is a buy. I know market is a buy. But this market that is a buy has gotten to a point of resistance. Me, I cannot buy because it has resistance. Me too, I cannot sell because I have not seen any confluence when it comes to the sell. But look here, on the 1 hour candle, I can see the current candle on the 1 hour candle which is being formed. And it is left about 39 minutes for this candle to end. Okay, it is left with 39 minutes for this candle to end. So now I ask myself question that, okay, if this candle is ending in the next 31 minutes, what type of candle is it possibly to end with? And that candle is going to also give me a say when it comes to what I need to do when it comes to that specific pair. So now I know this candle is currently forming. So what I can do right now is to wait for the candle to form and close on the 1 hour. I won't scale down to any time frame. I'll stick on the 1 hour because market on daily is a buy, market on 4 hour is a buy. So market on 1 hour, I'm watching. So what is the 1 hour going to say? If the 1 hour gives me a nice retracement, I can be able to risk it and trade a retracement. Okay, I can be able to risk it and trade a retracement, targeting a very minimum risk and targeting all the way to the previous low where I think market is going to get. So for instance, with this current market, for instance, if this market is retracing, where do you think it's going to get to next? It is going to get to somewhere 3,315. If this market retraces, it's going to get to 3,315, and it has 3,350 right now. But you cannot pump in the lot size. Do you get it? You cannot pump in the lot size immediately. No, don't pump in the lot size. I'll wait for this candle to give you the confirmation. Because look, it is sitting at resistance. Okay? So there are two things. It could be it will not sell. It could be it can break the high. And when it breaks that high, what is going to happen? It could continue buying all the way to 3,400. And the trend is a buy. So if the trend is a buy, you were not able to catch the move. Okay, you were not able to catch the early move. Today market has done about 500 pips already. You have not caught you have not caught that move. You want to trade? We are entering into New York session. You want to trade? What are you supposed to do? That is what I'm telling you right now. What you are supposed to do so that you be at the safer side of the market. There are some people that just wake up and they saw market is buying at the current price it is, and they are pumping the lot size into the buy. Why? Because they saw the market is buying. You don't do that. You don't do that. You don't do that because you don't know when the market is going to turn. Okay? You don't know when the market is going to turn. A minute. Let me take some water. A minute, guys. Hope you are getting what I'm saying. Hope you guys got what I'm saying. So now this current candle on the 1 hour left about 36 minutes to end might give you a trade. Okay? No, okay. What don't you understand? Let me explain to you. What don't you understand? So let me go over. Can we enter sell? No, don't enter sell. Relax. Let me show you. Let me go all over again so that you understand. This is gold chart. On daily candle, it has already done about 500 pips on daily candle for today. Gold has already done about 500 pips for today. You have not taken a trade. You just came on a chart, you want to take a trade, and you are seeing the market is buying crazily. Do you get it? You are seeing the market is buying crazily and you want to take a trade. Where can you take the trade? You cannot say, okay, at the current market where price is 3,351, you are going to pump in the lot size there. Do you get it? You are going to pump in the lot size there. If you pump in the lot size there, if you pump in the lot size there and market doesn't continue buying, what are you going to do? Hmm? What are you going to do? Can we buy? No, darling, you can't buy. So now let's analyze when you can buy, where you can buy. Do you get it? You cannot buy now, but let's analyze when you can buy and where you can buy. Sell it around 3,352. My brother, I will advise you. It's like, you see, it's like, let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, it's like water is dropping. Or let me not use water. It's like a stone is coming from a mountain hill. And whilst the stone is coming from the mountain hill, you go and stand there. A very big stone is coming. Then you go and stand on the road where the stone is coming from. Then you are like, I can stop the stone with my one hand. I can stop the stone with my one hand. No, brother, it will kill you. It will crush you. Do you get it? And also, for those of us that are already late, those of us that are already late, where the market with me when the market was buying, I was late. I was them asleep. I wake up and I saw them going. I was like, oh shit, oh shit. But it happens, it happens. It's part of the market. It happens. So now, what can you? Is the right time to buy now? No, it's not the right time to buy now, my brother. It's not the right time. Wait, New York has not opened yet. If you buy now, what if market retrace? One of the things, let's learn this. Power tab on your screen. Add this to whatever strategy you are trading. Add this. I'm about to teach you something. Add it to whatever strategy you are trading. One of the things that makes you a good trader is not whether a buy or a sell. Okay, it's not whether you are buying or you are selling. Lady, bless up. It's been a long time. It's not whether you are buying or you are selling that makes you a good trader. One of the things that makes you a good trader is your entry. Your entry is what makes you a good trader. So powerful. The market is at 3352. You pump in a buy there. It is buy, it's a buy. If you pump in a buy and you are holding it for days, probably you might make money. Do you get it? But was that price level a very good price level for you to buy? No. When you were a beginner trading, what was the rule? It says that buy what? Buy low and sell high. Buy low and sell high. But at the point where the market is high, you want to buy. You don't do that. And for those also that are expecting to sell because of buy low, sell high, it is high, so let me sell it. Before you take that lot size pump into that market, Emperor, bless up. Before you pump in that lot size, ask yourself that is it worth it? Is the place where I am pumping the lot size worth it? Am I pumping the lot size at the right point? Where is going to be my SL? What is going to be my take profit? So now let's analyze this market and see. If you are pumping buy here, you pump in the buy here. Do you know where your SL is going to be? Your SL is going to be all the way to the level here, 3,350. That is crazy SL. That is crazy, 350 pips SL. Okay, and your TP is going to be somewhere 3,390. When almost 1:1, it's not a reasonable trade for you to take. It's not reasonable. It's not a reasonable trade for you to take. So what you can do is that wait, my brother, you see this level, I'm going to mark a level. You see this level, you see this level. Wait for the market around this level. Wait for the market around this level. Wait for the market around this level. Okay. Hey, Kalki, bless up, bless up. Wait for the market around this level. Wait for the market around this level. So with that, if the market, we see a retracement here, a retracement, you can see maybe a single candle, a double candle, or Assam, what level is it? That level is 3,315. 3,315. That is the level. How do you know the level? Okay, so with knowing the levels, market moves in price behaviors, or let me put it, market moves in levels. Okay, so no matter the strategy you are trading, whether SMC, whether SCT, whether equilibrium, no matter the strategy you are trading, understand that all the strategy looks at how the market moves. Okay, so the market, for a buy market, if you are trading as my strategy, which is equilibrium, for a buy market, you know that it is creating highs and lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So when market is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows on a buy market, the previous higher low of the market is your key point when it comes to retracement. If market is able to break this low, if market breaks that point, if market breaks this point, okay, if market breaks this point, although you'll be expecting to buy at that level, you buy. It could be when market break this point, market is coming to this point before it can retrace. It could be market is coming to this point before it can retrace. That is the reason why you must have your entry criteria as a trader. What do you look out for before you enter, whether you buy or sell? So what you look out for before you enter, whether it is a buy or a sell, it is very important. So when you meet a market like this, for instance, okay, let's see 56 of you, let me tell you. NFP is on Thursday, right? NFP is on 2 days from now, Thursday. NFP is a buy. Do you get it? NFP is a buy. Take this from me. I'm going to do a video very shortly and post about NFP. NFP is a buy, which I'm going to explain. NFP is a buy for Thursday. But you must see some retracement, which will give you an entry and a momentum for you to enter into the market. Because some of us, it is scalping, we are scalping. You don't have huge fund for you to buy now and hold the market through or through. No. So we will be patient, we'll wait. One of the virtues of a good trader is patient. Okay? One of the virtues of a good trader is patient. You must be patient as a good trader. You must be patient. The fact that the market is moving does not necessarily mean that they follow the market. No. So, for instance, in the next 27 minutes, I'll be able to know whether I can take a buy or a sell. In the next 27 minutes, I can be able to know whether I can take a buy or a sell. And if it confirms, you see this current candle. If this current candle confirms as, let's say, an hanging man or a shooting star, or it gives me maybe bearish engulfing or any tweezer, no matter what will form around this level, I can be able to short it all the way to 3,315. And your SL is going to be minimum. So your risk to reward, when it comes to that trade is going to be quite crazy. You get it? Your risk to reward when it comes to that trade is going to be quite crazy. Why? Because you were patient enough. Do you understand? Any question? Do you understand? Did you just get what I said? Did you just get what I said? Did you get what I said? Repeat the confirmation. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Some people are saying yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Okay. What I'm saying is that the structure of the market is a buy. However, you cannot buy now. However, it is sitting at resistance. And that resistance is sitting as is number one, confirmation number one. What do you need for you to say, okay, I have a confluence? You need 3 or more confirmations to say, I have a confluence, no matter the strategy you are trading, right? So if you need 3 or more confluence to have a confirmation, no matter the strategy you are trading, okay, no matter the strategy you are trading, this is what you do. Number one confirmation, let's say you have number one confirmation resistance, where is a key zone. But the market is a buy. And the rules of the market is that don't trade against the direction of the market. Don't. Don't trade against the direction of the market. So if we want to trade against the direction of the market, we should have a confluence. We should have something that is credible we are standing on to do that. If not, we will be gambling. Do you get it? If not, it is gambling, we'll be gambling. We'll just be speculating out of emotions or speculating out of I think, I feel. No. When it comes to trading, don't think or don't feel like. Eh? You see this current candle, you see it is rejecting. You see the market is rejecting. Okay. Some people who are risk takers have already jumped onto the sell. But however, it is best advisable to be patient for the market to confirm it fully. It is best advisable for you to be patient for the market to confirm it fully. So if the market confirms it, this is a 1 hour candle. In the next 24 minutes, this candle will end. If this candle ends as a shooting star, then we know that we have a reversal to the previous higher low where we can short the market. Emperor, you are welcome. Where we can short the market. But we can't short the market because we think the market is dropping. You can't short it because, Charlie, it is dropping. Check 5 minutes, check 5 minutes, it is dropping. No, you don't understand that the higher time frame is always a senior to the small time frame. So although you are seeing this rejection, you have to consider. See, if we go on 5 minutes, you see that it is different thing. 5 minutes probably is giving some whole lot of sell vibe. You get it? 5 minutes is giving you some sell vibe. So if 5 minutes is giving you some sell vibe, you're like, oh Charlie, Ruth, why don't we just jump on this thing? Because on 5 minutes, let me see what the 5 minutes is giving to us. On 5 minutes, it's giving us almost like breaking the previous higher lows of the market, but it has not confirmed the sell yet. On 30 minutes, is on a sell block, though it is number one, not enough. Take this from me. Whenever you want to buy or you want to sell, make sure that your confluence, you have 3 or more. It helps you. When it happens like that, you don't just speculate. You don't just play on probability. You play on having an edge. You get it? You play on having an edge. That okay, I already have an edge on the market. And since I already have an edge on the market, the probability of it playing to what you think is going to play, it will be high. Then for us, you see, although the market is selling, I'm expecting a retracement. Okay, I'm expecting a retracement, but this retracement where I am expected, I cannot just pump in my lot size just because market is selling. What if I pump in my lot size and suddenly you see the market start buying? All of us have been there before. The trend is your friend. Okay, so if you pump in the sell and suddenly the market to start buying, it looks like everybody was selling and probably I say they made money. You alone, you entered and the market said, no, brother, I'm not going to sell. And you'll be like, it looks like your family members are sitting somewhere and they are looking at you. When you buy, the market will sell. When you sell, the market will buy. Have you been there before? You buy, the market will sell. You sell, the market will buy. And you'll be like, okay, if that is the case, if my analysis is a buy, I'll sell. If it's a sell, I'll buy. When it happens like that, you yourself, you are not so sure of the strategy you are trading. You are not so sure of the skill you are having. If it is a buy, you sell. If it is a sell, you will buy. It is pain, it's not easy. It's not easy. I always tell people that trading is for war people, it's for soldiers. If you are not a soldier, you cannot trade, especially if you trade gold. If you trade gold, brother, no girl can give you heartbreak. No brother can give you heartbreak. That be, my sister, your heart is too hard for any heartbreak. The heartbreaks gold alone has given you on the market is enough to take every heartbreak. Do you get it? So now we have to play and do the due diligence on the market. And the due diligence we have to do is what I'm telling you. In the next 20 minutes, this candle is ending. And when this candle ends, I'm going to teach you my strategy which I used to trade. And you'll be able to get a very good sniper entry, good SL, crazy profit. So let's assume that this confirms itself. Let's assume this confirms itself and we use equilibrium on it and we are able to take a trade using the equilibrium strategy. We are going to make over 300 pips and the SL is going to be less than 100 pips. So less than 100 pips, maybe over 300 pips, that's like 1:3 what ratio. And that is what you need as a trader. And you are okay. Look at what he's doing. Can't you see it's rejecting and it's buying? Can you see it is rejecting? It came to all the way 47, it is rejecting. This market, eh, if you are not so deep when it comes to its behaviors, you will easily be carried away. You will easily be carried away. You will easily be carried away. And these things happens so that liquidity will come on the market. Mm? So market dropping from the highs of 53, 52 is something that you as a trader should be expecting. But that does not guarantee the sell move because the market is a buy. So if we are going to sell now, you know what we are going to look out for before we sell. Power tap on your screen and share the live, guys. Power tap on your screen. Make sure you power tap on the screen and share the live. Let's get to 200 right now. Power tap on the screen and share the live. Power tap on the screen and share the live. Let's power tap and get like 10K right now. Go and see that. Emperor says, please reply to my message. All right, Emperor. Where did you message me, Emperor? Thank you. It's been a while. Bless up, brother. If you know get sense on TikTok here, it's because I'm live, so I can't reply. Okay. When I'm done with the live, I'll reply you. What are we waiting on gold? Which means I need to be explaining whilst people are connecting. So we are waiting for a confirmation on gold when it comes to the sell or the buy. Anyways, we are waiting on the confirmation when it comes to the buy or the sell. Currently, market is sitting at resistance of gold. The trend of gold currently is a buy, but we cannot buy where the market is because the market has done enough for today. 500 pips already for today. That is what market has done. So if we are to buy, we need to relax, wait for a perfect point where we can buy. So where will be the perfect point? The rules of the market. Write this. Let me pause this music. I'm going to teach you this, okay? So I'm going to teach you this. Just write this down. Take a pen and a paper. Jot these things that I'm going to teach you down. No matter the strategy you are trading, brother, it is going to help you. I'm just saying I couldn't raise money to join the Lagos trading. Don't worry. Road money is still around. Mm. Take a pen and a paper. If you have your pen or your paper or your tablet, something you can write what I'm about to teach you down. Just take it. No matter the strategy you are trading, just take what I'm about to teach you down. It will really help you. Just take it. Take it right now. And let me know at the comment section. If you have your pen, your paper, your notepad, just say I have it at the comment section. Let me know how many of you are ready to learn something new. To learn something new to add up to what you already have. Just something new to add up to what you already have. Just something new. Okay. All right. Started recording. That's powerful. So this is it. No matter the strategy you are trading as a trader, I am going to give you certain rules that are going to help you and is going to save you from a lot of mess. You can be trading, a market is a buy. You are so sure that this market is a buy. Suddenly you buy, and when you buy, the market sells. and you ask yourself, what did I do wrong? And after market is done kicking you out, you will see the market will start buying, and market will do exactly what you expect the market to do. You were expecting the market to do. That was the reason why you entered into the buy. But market did not do that, kicked you out before the market bought. This is the reason, and this is what you need to do. Whenever you analyze the market, okay, and the market is a buy or it is a sell, no matter the direction of the market, this is the rule. Number one, ask yourself that buy, is it playing at a low? Number one. Listen, oh, I'm not going to repeat myself. Ask yourself, let's say the market is a buy, we are on the buy. Number one, ask yourself at that buy where you are looking at, is it playing at a low, a recent low, a new higher low, a low? Is it playing at a low? If the answer is yes, then the trade, number one, you have a point of valid point. You have a valid point you can buy. Listen, number one, make sure that if it's a buy, it is playing at a low. What do I mean? If it is not playing at a low and this market is a buy and it is playing at the highs of the market, don't buy. Do you know what it means? It is like a car is moving on the top speed. The car is moving at the top speed, then whilst the car is going on the street to very top speed, then you are standing at the station waiting for the car. The car has not stopped. The car has not done anything. Then on the same top speed, you try to jump in. What do you think is going to happen to you? Like a car is moving on the top speed, and you want to join the car to their destination.